If there's one thing this pandemic has taught us, that would be never depend on one source of income. Because if you are dependent on one source of income, and God forbid, if you lose it, you are a touch distance away from hitting poverty. And this is what 27% or above people have experienced ever since this pandemic struck the world late February 2020. Internet has shown us another world, a world that is full of opportunities. And by leveraging on the opportunities lying idle for everybody to get their hands on, be it freelancing, digital marketing, social media marketing, blogging, YouTubing, perhaps having a digital products. If you are unable to make money by selling your skills on internet, there's nobody to be blamed but you. The idea is, if you're locked down at home, learn a skill or two. Start offering those skills and sell it on different freelance marketplaces. There are websites like Upwork, Guru.com, freelancer.com, Fiverr.com, peopleperhour.com, and the list goes on and on. Go on to Google, search freelance marketplaces, and you will see tons of websites where you can sign up as a freelancer and sell your services. Now, if you're one of those who really do not want to sit on their desk 24/7, probably you should go for blogging or create a YouTube channel. Perhaps go for digital products. You could offer one-to-one consultation. If you're good at something, sell it. Go to udemy.com and create your course, sell it on Udemy. You do not have to worry about anything, the worry about customer services, the establishing of your videos, uploading is the only thing you need to worry about, and this is it. Rest of the hassle is down to the Udemy folks. You could also sell digital products such as affiliate products, which essentially means that you work on someone else's behalf, refer clients to them, and on each sale you make commission. As a blogger, if you create your blog, if you write about different topics, when people read your blog post, not only you are increasing the chances of building your brand reputation, but at the same time, once you are able to monetize your blog through payment partner programs, or perhaps when people sponsor your different blog posts, you are making money. And this is one great example of passive income that does not require to sit on desk 24/7. YouTube. I have helped many people create their YouTube channel from different countries. People from Pakistan, from India, they have been able to create their YouTube channel and scale it up and also make money, of course, once you complete that initial requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You get to get paid from YouTube. What else you would ask for? Internet is giving you huge opportunities. And this is why I come live every single day and talk about different topics. And as a matter of fact, I'm now about to start my uploading videos on different playlists. And this would mean you could consume shorter, smaller version of my content on demand. Pay attention to learning skill. If on internet you do not know how to sell yourself, the craft of selling yourself goes in a huge way, a long way in helping you make money. World is all yours because internet is all yours. And at the end of the day, one important thing about internet is, on internet, education is for free. You do not have to pay huge sum of money to acquire a knowledge. Every YouTuber is offering it. Who's stopping you from learning one? Good luck, everybody.